Hey guys, how my beautiful people doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dan. Today I'm going to review this bad boy right here. This is the Roche Posay Cicaplast B5 spray. They have the balm version, which is very popular. I also reviewed their gel version, the Cicaplast B5 gel, which I really love. One of my favorite moisturizers. And this one is amazing as well. This range is actually one of the best on the market. Before I start, please consider following me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel for more skincare reviews, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm, exposing this video to as many people as possible. Just comment something, say hi, I would really appreciate that. And check out my Patreon in case you want to help support the channel. Start as always with the packaging. We have a spray tube. It's not the best on the market. Let me actually show you. It's pretty, it's not the most elegant, I would say. It's okay, it's just, I wish it would disperse the product on a much bigger area, because it's kind of like, it goes in pretty small areas and I have to apply a lot of sprays to actually get my entire face. But that's not a big problem, it's just, yeah. Nice packaging. When it comes to price, I paid around, I think $12 for this one, which is a nice price. You get 100 ml. And based on the ingredients that we have in here, I would say it's completely worth it. You guys know I love affordable products, and I think this is a pretty good one. When it comes to irritating ingredients, we don't have any fragrance in here, any alcohol. It is fungal acne safe, of course. We love seeing that. When it comes to my experience with the product, the ingredient list, you guys, I love this one. It is so calming, so soothing. It's one of those products that I use when I need deep hydration, when I need like extreme skin barrier repair. It has a very simple but very on point ingredient list, and it feels very hydrating on the skin also. It's like lightweight hydration, but it doesn't dissipate. It's long-lasting hydration, I would say. We have glycerin as the second ingredient, and this one tastes sweet, which in my opinion is a sign that they actually put a lot of glycerin in this one. We have propanediol, which is a nice humectant. We have panthenol, which is a great soothing skin barrier repair ingredient, and we have 5% of that, which for me is the sweet spot. Higher than that, it might be irritating for some people. Lower, it might be not as effective. 5% is one of the greatest amounts they can use, I would say. Yeah, great ingredient. We have some propylene glycol, which is another humectant. We have some sodium citrate. We have medicassicide, and I don't know the percentage of that, but medicassicide is an amazing antioxidant and skin barrier repair ingredient. It's very effective even in small amounts, so even if we don't have a lot in this one, it's still very effective. But it is on the middle of the ingredient list, which tells me we actually have a pretty good amount in here. Which is amazing, because most of the products on the market have 0.1% or less, so they're using a lot of medicassicide. Maybe that's why I feel like this one helps so much with like calming down my skin, with skin barrier repair, wound healing. It's been shown to be great for wound healing, anti-aging in some studies. Take that with a grain of salt though, we don't have a lot of studies proving that. We have mannose. I don't know how to pronounce this one. It is a humectant basically. We have some manganese gluconate and copper gluconate. Copper gluconate is an amazing ingredient actually. It promotes cellular regeneration and wound healing, same as medicassicide, I would say. So we have a nice blend of wound healing ingredients in this one. Also soothing for the skin, a slight antioxidant benefits also. A really nice addition to this one. Then we just have some preservatives, some chelating ingredients, but overall a very simple ingredient list, but very on point. Very nice blend of soothing ingredients. Yeah, I really like this one, you guys. Give it a shot. Let me know if you've ever tried it. What do you think about it? Overall, an amazing product. Great price, great ingredients, fungal acne safe, no irritants. And I just love spraying stuff on my skin, I guess. It feels nice. And it's so convenient to actually just take it and spray it on it. And it feels great also to spray it. And maybe you can keep this one, I didn't think about it, maybe you can keep it in your fridge and like even increase the soothing power by applying the cold product on your skin. Let me know what you guys think about this one, if you've ever tried it, what was your experience with it. And that's it for today. Let me know what other products I should check. I love you all. I will see you in my next video.